Hello everybody. So to download the CAD file for the AYE work holding system for the Pocket NC, head to www.aye.company, scroll down, and somewhere on the website there'll be a section like this where you can find the download buttons for the CAD files. I'm going to be using the Autodesk Fusion 360 file today. You can, if you're not using Autodesk Fusion 360, you can just download a simple step file. You'd probably prefer to use the Fusion file though, because it's got all the joints and constraints, everything already set up for you. So just hit that, and that will take you to a Dropbox folder where you can then hit download. And once it's downloaded, it'll appear in the bottom here, and it'll depend on your operating system, but just save it to your computer, make a note of where you've saved it. Once you've done that, head to Fusion 360, hit the upload button, select the file from wherever you've just saved it, and it will automatically upload to whichever project folder you've got open. So once you select the file, hit upload, and then it'll take a moment, but it will appear in here, and then you can double click on that, and then it will appear in your browser like so.